Hi, Les Per Year. Today we're going to be doing a song called Mary Did You Know? It's a really good song for Christmas, and just want to show you a few things. So we're going to start out on A minor, Mary Did You Know? We're going to go to G, that your baby boy would one day walk on water. Okay, so what we've got is we've got an A minor, then a G, then a DM7, and then an E. Now what's a DM7? A DM7 basically can be a couple of things. It can be like, F, except you take the third finger off, and that's D minor. Or that's D minor 7. Or you can just do a D minor there. I think that probably sounds all right. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? So you can do D minor there if you don't like the D minor 7. So we go, Mary, did you know? A minor, that your baby boy, G, would one day walk. D minor 7, E. Then we repeat that. Mary, did you know that your baby boy, D minor 7, and E. Then we go D minor 7. Did you know? Then G, that your baby boy, and we go to C, has come to make you new, A minor. Then we got that D minor 7 again. This child that you've delivered will, then we go to E, will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know? Then we go back to A. Okay, so let's do that verse together. Mary, did you know that your baby boy someday walk on? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? D minor 7, this child that you've delivered will soon deliver you. Mary, did you? A minor. And then the second verse is just identical to it. We go A minor, G, D minor 7, E, A minor, G, D minor 7, E. Then we go D minor 7, G, C, A, M. When you kissed your little baby, then you've kissed the face of God. Mary, did you know? Okay, so let's do that. Mary, did you know? A minor, that your baby D minor 7, the blind man. E minor, did you know? A minor, that your baby would sing G. Someday, G minor 7 with his hand. E, did you know? D minor 7, that your baby G boy is walk where angels trod. D, A minor, D minor 7, little baby. Then E, you kiss the face of God. Mary, did you know? A minor. Then we're going to do this little interlude between the second verse and the bridge. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, D minor 7, then E. Now we're going to F. The blind will see, G. The deaf will hear, A minor. The lame will live again, F. The lame will leap, the dumb, G, speak the praises of the Lamb, E minor. Now that's a little hard for me to hit that last note. So I just want to show you, you can do it a couple of ways. You can go, the lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Go, praises of the Lamb. The dumb will leap, the blind, back to the beginning. The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. You can do it that way instead of having to try to go up real high. Then you go, Mary, did you know? A minor. That's pretty much Mary, Did You Know? You go back and repeat the first verse, and that's Mary, Did You Know? So I hope you enjoy playing it. Merry Christmas.